Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to log in on LuxAlgo. If you want to do this, the first thing that you need to do, or maybe needed to do, is you need to create yourself an account. And if you don't have any idea how to do that, I created a minute ago a video about how to do that. So please check out the how to create an account on LuxAlgo. And then after that, the only thing that you need to do is click right here on login. Then fill in right here your credentials. So we will do this real quick right here. And then after that, you can go right in the top. So we click right here and then you can go to whatever you want. So let's do quant right here. And then we can ask for an indicator or whatever you want and can start using LuxAlgo from here. So this is how you can log in on LuxAlgo. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.